In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new Salesforce custom report types, along with some practical examples to get you started. Whether you're aiming to tailor your reports to better suit your business needs or simply want more control over your data analysis, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin. First, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your Salesforce interface, where you'll see a gear icon. Click on this icon and then select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu that appears. This will bring you to a page where you can make more detailed configurations. Once you've arrived on this page, look for the Quick Find box. It's a handy tool that lets you quickly search for the feature or setting you're interested in. Type in report types to pull up the relevant options. After you've found report types in the list, click on it. This will take you to a new page where you will see a button labeled New Custom Report Type. Go ahead and click that button to begin crafting your custom report type. Next, you'll need to choose a primary object. This is essentially the main data structure that your report will focus on. For instance, if you're interested in analyzing business accounts, you might choose accounts as your primary object. After selecting your primary object, it's time to give your new report type some identity. You'll need to enter a label, which is how the report type will be presented in listings. Beyond that, choose a report type name and craft a short description to clarify the purpose and content of the report type. Being descriptive here can save time and effort in the future when you're sifting through available report types. The next step is to categorize your report. This helps organize your reports in a manner that makes them easier to find later on. You might select a category like Other Reports. Also, it's crucial to set the deployment status to Deployed if you want the report type to be usable by others, rather than just saved as a draft. With these basic settings configured, click Next to proceed to defining object relationships. This is where you can add related objects to your report type, such as opportunities that are linked to accounts. Don't forget to specify the relationship type for these objects. For example, you might choose an option like each A record must have at least one related B record to ensure that your data correctly reflects its real-world dependencies. Finally, once you're satisfied with your selections and configurations, click Save. By doing so, you've just successfully created a new Salesforce custom report type ready for use in data analysis and decision-making processes. We've now covered all the steps needed to create a customized report type in Salesforce. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Thank you for watching and good luck with your Salesforce endeavors.